Hi friends, and welcome to day 4 of introductions for Mama Elephant's March 2025 release. Today we are introducing personal letters as well as Spring in the Air creative cuts. First, let's take a look at the personal letters stamp set. This alphabet set has a very fun, whimsical font. It also includes a couple of smaller sentiments. Next, let's take a closer look at the Spring in the Air creative cuts. This die set includes 3 different dies, 1 for a meadow and 2 for the sky. It fits a standard sized landscape card perfectly. For today's card, I will be doing some ink blending. I'm blending my meadow using bundled sage, Shabby shutters, as well as Rustic Wilderness Distress Oxide ink. To create the optical illusion of some dimension, I'm putting a piece of white paper between the slit and I'm ink blending some Rustic Wilderness over top. Next, I'm adding some pink as well as some yellow color to the sky. For this, I'm using Tattered Rose Distress Oxide ink, and later on I will be adding some squeezed lemonade to the top. I'm using the personal letters stamp set to stamp a custom sentiment. My sentiment today comes from a Aaron Hansen poem. It goes like this. There is freedom waiting for you on the breezes of the sky, and you ask, what if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? I was inspired to use this sentiment because of the little raccoon hanging from the balloons. Because I wanted one more little raccoon in the sky, I'm stamping one of the airplanes from the Little Agenda Airplanes set. Now it's time to add our other raccoons to the card. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from tomorrow, the 15th of March, and I'll see you for the next release. Bye!